Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ngayon, unboxing tayo ng aking AirPods Pro. Okay. Now, we're going to open these AirPods. How it looks like. I'm so excited guys to use this. So, there you go. And then there you go guys. This is iPad Pro. Then open it. There you go. There you go. Yan, this is the AirPods guys. I'm gonna open it. There you go. Yan. Yan. And then close it. And I have the charger. Charger. And then for the AirPods, I have the extra. They have small, medium, and this one is the different. Oh, this is medium guys. Small, medium, and large. So they have three different for your size. They have. And now we're going to connect on the, see guys, you can see it, and then connect on iPhone. Ayan, reconnect. Wait, there you go. There you go. Noise control, press hold in either iPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparent. So this is good guys. Press the volume slider to volume additional on your iPhone and control noise cancellation too. So that's thing. Announce messenger. So I'm going to connect to Siri. There you go. And on your AirPods. So it's done. That's it guys. Already connected on my iPhone Pro Max. And now I'm going to check it, how much battery I have. So just open it, and here is 63%, and for my AirPods is 78% left. And that's it. And lose your AirPods Pro, you can find your find my phone. So you can if you lose it, water resistant. So they have small, medium, and large. For this is small and large. Guys, I'll show you guys how to remove or change your AirPods or air tips. So I'm gonna use this one. Open it. So I got this, and how to change your air tips. So just pull this one like this and squeeze. There you go. This is the right, and then put it back. There you go. So I use this small one. So you need to remove like this. This is the like this, and pull. So now there you go. I use this small one. So use this. And slide. And then there you go. There you go. Easy. This is small. As you can see, guys, this is small, and this one is large. See it? This one is medium. This one is medium. It's medium. I use this. This one is medium because I changed my air tips on. There you go. So we're going to check our control voice noise. You can press AirPods Pro. They have three different noise cancellations, off, or transparency. For noise control, just press on the left control. There you go. You get check on it, and to the right is blocks out and external sounds, and for the right is noise control, noise cancellation, transparency, and then the last one is turn off, noise cancellation, and transparency. So they have choices, guys, to avoid the noise. About this charger for only iPhone Pro Max. You can't use any phone on this, only Pro Max. So and Pro and AirPods Pro. So I'm going to charge this. Okay, as you can see, guys, they got color orange is charging now. It's easy. And then you can use the other charger from this phone, and this one you can use this. Try it. See, it is fit. So I got two charger.